I want to introduce myself first. Okay, sa mga hindi po nakakakilala sa akin, I am Dr. Lori M. De La Cruz. Just call me Doc Lori for short. So I'm very sure na marami po dito ang nagtataka bakit ano ginagawa po ng isa pong doktor sa harapan nyo. Tama? And totoo po yun, ano? Kasi one of the most skeptical, hello Coach Dorcas Sutumo, that she is my leader from Papua New Guinea. It's good you mentioned, you type here your greetings, okay? So yes, hello po Coach Gisette Dumosad. So sabi ko nga po, one of the most skeptic person who will join this type of business is a doctor. Usually pa mga professional, syempre maganda na po ang takbo ng job. So most of the time, kontento na po sa kanilang hanap buhay. But bakit ako nandito? Because I am one who believe in MSI. I believe in multiple sources of income. Now before ako ma-involve sa ganitong klaseng business, kami po ng asawa ko is very business-minded. Before po, okay, Coach Maria Luisa de Leosa from Kuwait, okay, hindi ko kasi matiis, nagigirip din ko yan, nagtatype ko na kanilang mga comments sa comment section. Now, sabi ko nga, no, kami po ng asawa ko, we are so much interested po sa negosyo. So we had a traditional businesses before. We had car, taxi po, no? Car taxi, nauso po siya before. So kami naman jump kagad doon sa negosyo, bili kami ng 2 bagong brand new taxi. Ano nangyari, no? Pagka pala hindi pala ganun kadali lang yon. So what happened is, unang taon, ang galing. Nakabangga, nabundol, nakarnap, nabulpi ang driver, tapos sinapong sa dagat-dagatan, buti po, buhay. Ano pa ba? Yun po, nung nakarnap ang aming car, iniwan po sa gitna ng EDSA. Nung nakabundol yung driver namin, iniwan yung pasyente sa hospital. Yung aming kotse po ay napunta sa Kamparingal. Ang tawag doon, na nagadala doon. So ang dami pong diferensya. Hindi pala siya ganun kadali. No? Hindi pala ganun kadali. Akala mo lang, pagka nauso, gagaya ka na. Pero hindi kami tumigil. Sabi, ang laki po ng puhunan. Imagine, ang laki ng puhunan, brand new, nag-buy ka ng monthly amortization nang hindi ka kumikita. After a year, binyanta na po namin. Sakit kasi ng ulo. So what happened next? Sabi, hindi pa rin kami tumigil kasi gusto namin talaga magnegosyo. So what we did is, since kami po ay mahilig mag-cook ng aking pong sister, sabi, ito madali-dali kasi luluto lang, pagkain, madali naman to. So kami, nag-venture din ng business na parang food to go, para po siyang yung parang undox or parang baliwag, ganun po, no? Ganon, okay. And the first year, okay naman kasi yung aming store, ang tapat is factory na 1,000 plus po ang kanilang mga empleyado. So, very good. Tapos maganda po, malakas. And nangyari po, nag-close po yung malaking factory na yon. Lumipat ng Cavite. Kami naman naiwan. You know, pag di mo pala alam ng sistema ng isang negosyo, napakahirap po palang gawin. So it's so different talaga kasi kailangan po sa negosyo talaga merong sistemang sinusunod. Nag-food venture pa rin kami. Kumbaga pa rin kami tumigil. Kanya lang po talaga, ang hirap pala ng nagsusubok ka ng wala kang sistemang pina-follow. Then one day po sa aking clinic, ang medical representative, ang pong medtech po sa clinic po, she had constipation for the longest time. Every now and then, papareseta siya sa akin, Doc, kailangan ko nireseta kasi constipated ako. So what happened is, one day, dumating po siya, meron siya dalang supplement from US. Sabi, Doc, ang ganda nito, hindi na ako constipated. Can I share sa iyo itong product? Sabi ko, sure, why not? So sinare niya sa akin, and what happened is, I bought the package because I want to try the products. Not just for me, but for my family. Since ako po isang doktor, ako po talaga ay gumagamit ng mga multivitamins. Kanya lang, ang ginagamit ko, yung mga bigay ng mga medrep na synthetic. So, nangyari po, no, the following day, my coach, my sponsor went back to my clinic and sabi niya, Doc, there's a business site dito. Sabi niya ganyan. So, nakinig naman ako, explain niya sa akin, at I'm sure kung meron pong mga bago ngayon dito, may mga bago, same din ang inyong ang isip na nag-explain, di naintindihan. Ako ganon. Explain niya sa akin, kanya kailangan dito, bla bla bla. Pag uwi ko sa bahay, Dad, sabi ng ating coach, kailangan daw mag-head na naman tayo. Anong head? Bibili daw tayo ulit ng package, ha? Member ka dapat ka bibili. Sabi niya kasi kailangan eh. paano, hindi ko naman ma-explain ang business. Kasi first time ko marinig, pinabalik ko siya the following day. Pagbalik ka doon, explain na naman siya. Hindi ko na naintindihan. Okay? Pero sabi niya, Dok, maganda punta ka sa office. So what happened is, we went to the office kasi gusto kong malaman kung talaga itong business. Right now, wala naman tayo, ngayon ang ating pong sistema right now is hindi po tayo punta ng office. Tayo po ngayon ay dito, kahit nasa ang parte ka ng mundo, you can learn what the business is all about. Kasi po, we are doing this online. Iba na po ngayon ang trend, okay? Ito po ang pinakabago. Now, so what happened is, nagpunta kami doon. At the same time, syempre, inaral po namin. Nakita ko, nag-usyoso ko. Syempre, gusto ko malaman kung talagang totoo ba to? May kumikita ba sa ganitong business? Nakita ko yung opisina, nakita ko yung mga kumikita, nakita ko lahat, everything. So what we did is, we sat down. Ako po yung nakikinig, susulat ako ng mga lecture. Pupunta kami doon twice a week. Kasi po, I have my business, I have a clinic, and we are doing the business part-time, but with the full-time part. What happened is, sabi ko kailangan ko i-apply yung learning. So what I did is, sa clinic ko, every day, yung tatlong sa dulo na, pagpa-uwi na, mag-5 o'clock na, ipilang tatlong pasyente. Uspak learbook nun eh. Learbook, and then tuturuan, mag-share ako. Awa po ng Diyos, awa ng Diyos. Kung may 1 month na rito na walang nakukuha, wala pong nag-join sa akin. But I was not frustrated. Why? Kasi I am learning the business. And alam ko na sa negosyo to, hindi po talaga kagad instant. No, pwede talagang hindi pa siya mag-join kasi baka kulang pa yung explanation mo, hindi ka pa marunong, wala ka pang masyadong alam. Kasi dito po, you learn the process as you go along. Kailangan, ina-apply mo yung natututunan mo. At hindi talaga naman pwedeng kagad magaling ka na. Wala pong ganon. So nangyari na-accept ko na balama kaya ako nare-reject kasi kulang pa ang presentation ko, di pa ako marunong. So marami pa ako natutunan. So habang nare-reject ka, natututo ka. Yun po importante. Huwag kang matatakot sa failure because that is part of success. In everything, in every business, failure, rejection, yan po is part of success. So yun po, no, nasa sa isip ko. And alam niyo po, being a doctor, it's so hard for me to do this business. Kanya lang, I saw something here na kakaiba na pwedeng gawin ng kahit sino. Okay? Kasi po, pag doktor ka, katulad ko, no? Ang doktor po kasi, ako po sa kliniko, pagka ikaw pasyente ko, pag bakuna day mo, on the 15th, I will not text you. Pagka follow up po, after 3 days, I will not text you. I will not call you up. Okay? Kung bahala ka magpunta sa kliniko. So ganun po ako, for the past 30 years na bilang doktor, hindi ko po ako nagte-text at nag-follow up ng pasyente. Basta sinabi ko, punta ka dito on this day, after sabi, pupunta ka dapat. Hindi na ako nag-follow up. But in this business, it's practically the opposite. Parang din ng 360 degrees, 720 degree turn. Okay? Paano? Kasi po dito, before, ako po nag-text ng client, nag-text ng prospect. Yan. Kasi yun talaga, nag-text ka ng prospect, tapos susunduin mo, yahatid mo, papameriendahin mo pa, tapos di mag-join. Okay? Yan po ang normal na nangyayari before. Okay? Yun po. So it takes your time, your effort, your money, lahat po. No? Talaga magbibigay ka ng panahon. And ang kagandahan naman kasi, before, no, yun talaga ang trend, gano'n ang ginagawa. And when you do the business properly, you follow lahat po ng natutunan. When you applied what you learned, talaga mag-excel ka. And modesty aside, I don't want to brag, but for 1.5 years lang po, I hit the top position, yung car achiever, yung pong trip qualifier, nahit ko naman po yun sa awa ng Diyos. So kasi nga po, nagsumikap naman na gawin ang negosyo. Now, sabihin mo sa akin, ito po nandito ka ngayon. And ahit mo na pala ang maganda pala ang naging posisyon mo noon. Kasi po, just like you, just like anybody here na nandito ngayon, na before meron na sila mga MLM, na mga negosyo, na ibang nasalihan, or may ibang business na po na nagawa, I'm sure na tayo po lahat, we are looking for something po na mag-level up. If you see something na mas maganda, let's say you have a car now. 5 years ago, you bought your car. And then yung car mo noon, syempre, bagong-bago. And then now, may nakita kang mas nag-level up. Kaya mo naman bumili. Mas gusto mo ito, mas komportable, mas maganda. You will buy another car. Papalitan mo yung luma. Into mga job naman po natin, job. Let's say you're employed now. You're earning 20,000 pesos. Then somebody offered you another job na you will earn double. 40 or more, 60 times 3 ang iyong kikitain. Of course, what will you do? Kailangan mo mag-level up. Grab mo yun. Now, when I saw this company, I saw a big opportunity. Really big. Imagine, lahat po ng mga kakaiba, lahat po ng wala, lahat pala ng meron sa previous, dahil parang hindi mo masyadong type, wala lahat dito. Madali, maganda, very maliit at affordable ang kanyang entry. Sabi ko, why not? Why not? If this is something new na napakaganda, why not? Diba? So everybody, lahat tayo ito ay ganon. Okay, so I'll be starting now na medyo nahaba po ang aking intro kasi gusto ko lang maintindihan nyo na dito po, anybody is welcome. Wala po tayong pinipili and lahat po tayo pwedeng matuto. Huwag kang matakot kung wala kang alam. Okay lang yun kasi ako wala din alam sa negosyo to. But nakita ko lang kung ano po ang pwedeng ibigay sa iyo na future. Kaya sabi ko, pwede siyang gawin. Okay? So, before I start, I wanted all of you first, of course, I just wanted to request sa inyo 3 things lang. Okay? First is you have to focus. Okay? Ngayon po, I'll be sharing with you a very nice opportunity. And for the next 30 to 40 minutes lang po, just listen, mag-focus tayo. Wala po muna tayong mag-FB. Wag muna yon. IG or TikTok or ML or mag-TV or radio or you have to silence your phone para wala pong disturbance. Okay? Habang tayo po nag-uusap. Kasi po napakahalaga po na yung makita po na nakita ko, makita rin nyo. Okay, yun po ang gusto kong ibigay po sa inyo na bakit ako nandito ngayon because I saw something na very, very good, very, very nice na gusto kong i-share po sa mas maraming tao. And number 2 po, no, I know yung pong karamihan dito, pwedeng half of you or some of you already have had different MLM business before or meron kayo ibang negosyo before. Now, this is a different platform, different company, different products, different everything. So, importante po na tayo po ay open. Kaya nga, minsan tinatawag na po nila, wag na nang sa ganitong best, have an open mind. Okay? Pero importante po yun. Kasi po tayo po, pag ang ating isip ay punong-puno po ng knowledge at ayaw mong tumanggap ng bago, mahihirapan ka. You have to empty your cup. No? Kailangang bawasan mo yan para yung anything na i-share po ko ngayon, pwede yung pumasok at pwede mong i-analyze. Pwede ba? Okay ba sa ito? Kasi pagka sa punong-puno yan at ayaw mong tanggapin yung sinasabi ko, ayaw mong pakinggan, ayaw mong intindihin, what will happen? Kahit gano'ng kagandang sasabi ko, you will not listen to me. Definitely, kasi ayaw mo makinig. Pero pakinggan mo nga lang in the first 30 to 40 minutes, pakinggan mo lang. Empty mo yung kalahati para mapakinggan mo to. At para ma-appreciate mo, na-appreciate ko. Okay? And the third one is this type of business. Ito po ang negosyo na mind-blowing. Okay? You have to increase o lakihan mo ang iyong psychological wallet. Kung ikaw po sanay po sa kita na 20,000 or 40,000 or 50,000 pesos, doon talagang nagwawala ka na pag meron kang 50,000, ay naku po. Yan po ay hindi po normal dito. Abnormal po yan. Ang normal po dito ay yung malalaking halaga. Okay, for your information, if you will check, if you will Google now, para ko lang po maintindihan nyo, dito po ang pag-uusapan natin is hindi lang po 6 digits, 7 digits, 9, 8 digits. Ganun pong kalaki. Ang possible na ibigay sa iyo na ganitong klaseng negosyo. Why? Because the top one, if you will Google, the top one in the whole world, okay, na earner po sa buong mundo came from USA, from a Prove-It company, sa USA company. Magkano ang kinikita po ng tao sa ganitong klaseng business, yung pong taong to? Siya po si Jesse Ward. Ang kinita po is $1.5 million every single month. And how much is that? That's around 84 million pesos every month. Parang kumikita siya 3 million piso araw-araw. So talagang mind-blowing, right? So this type of business really gives you a very big opportunity to have more savings, more earnings, to have a life-changing opportunity. Yun po, no? So ngayon po, wag kayong magulat kung let's pag-usapan natin mas malaki. Actually, maliit po doon, no? 84 million yung pinag-usabi ko sa inyo. Here, maganda rin po, millions din in pesos. Kaya po wag lang po tayo magulat kung mamaya po ang nasabihin sa inyo, ganun palang kaganda ang pwedeng i-offer ng Live Good business sa ating buhay. Okay? So let's start now. Sorry, medyo napahaba. Okay, we'll be starting now. Okay? So screen share lang po ako. Yan. And get ready po dahil napakaganda po ng ating pag-uusapan. So we'll be starting now. So this is Live Good business presentation. This is the membership that pays. Okay, so again, I am Dr. Lorena M. De La Cruz. Just call me Doc Lori for short. And I am a gold member now, of course, running for platinum. Okay, so ang ating company, Live Good, is a revolutionary company. Okay, sabi ko nga po, dito po nakita ko yung mga bagay na kakaiba, may mga bagay na ayaw mo na sa previous companies, sa ibang MLM companies, ayaw mo na, lahat po tinanggal po dito. Why? Ito po wala pong quota. Okay, you don't have to, every month, may hahabulin kang quota na 50,000, 100,000, wala na pong ganon. Na katulad sa ibang company, pag di mo na-reach yung quota mo, next month, wala na. Uulit ka na, back to zero ka. No auto ship, hindi mo kailangang bumili ng produkto na hindi ka pinopera sa bumili ng products, okay? You can buy any products at need. No points monitoring, hindi na kailangan ng puntos na minomonitor mo, kailangan makareach ka ng ganitong puntos para kumita ka sa Unilevel, sa STEP and everything. At wala pong mga produkto na overpriced. Yung po nagustuhan ko kasi as a member, gusto makabili ng produkto. And here, wala pong overpricing ng mga produkto. And I have to add this one. Dito po, this one account policy, wala na po kailangan ng maraming multiple accounts, 7 heads, 14 heads, wala na pong ganon. At the same time po, no, wala din po tayong mga pairing, left and right, wala pong ganon, walang strong leg, walang weak leg, at hindi mo kailangan magpaalam sa iyong coach or yung mentor, marami kang mga other recs. At the same time, again, wala na rin po tayong flash out. So napakaganda. So lahat ng ayaw mo, tinanggal na rito. So why not? Why not take this one? Why not listen to Live Good? Okay, now, this is Live Good, the membership that pays. At the same time po, the company wants you to stay healthy. That's why we offer you wholesale price products with unmatched quality supplements. Dito rin po, no, wala nang problema sa ating sa sistema. Kung natatakot ka, di ako marunong, baka hindi ko kayang i-share, paano ko matututo, paano ko tuturuan ng mga magiging members, o paano ko matututo as one, as an individual. Diba, we offer you full funnel marketing system, tools and trainings po, available po lahat siya. Sa ating pala pong website, doon pa lang po sa website natin na makukuha mo, doon pa lang po, meron na po kagad. Pagka nanood po ng iyong link, oh my goodness, meron kagad nag-join because napakaganda po ng ating website. And this is newly launched globally. We're just 7 months in the market now. We have a very, very simple, powerful, lucrative, rewarding, straightforward, and easy compensation plan. Wala po dito sabi napakahirap na maintindihan, napakadali lang pong intindihin itong ating comp plan at napaka-lucrative. Talagang sobrang ganda po ang earnings po dito, earning potential. And ang nagustuhan ko dito, this is home-based business. You can do this at the luxury of your home. Masarap, nasa bahay ka lang, hindi mo kailangan mag-travel, gusto mo yung oras mo, kakapunta sa kung saan saang bahay, kakashare doon. No, just have to share your link, okay? And this is open in more than 230 countries all over the world. Just imagine, if you have your phone, if you have a good internet connection, voila, you can do the business, okay? Ang ganda po, at nasa bahay ka lang, hindi ka nag-e-effort, kahit nakapambahay ka, so walang masyadong gastos. Kailangan lang maganda ang internet connection at maganda po ang telepono na magagamit mo. Okay? So, ayun, dadaanan ko po ito yung subscription industry. Why? Kasi po, during the past 4 years, pandemic time po natin, no, ang nag-boom po ng mga negosyo po yung subscription industry like Zoom. Yung ginagamit natin ngayon Zoom. No, before po, nung pandemic, lahat po ng tao nasa bahay lang. So akala natin talagang katapusan na ng mundo na wala na tayo magagawa sa bahay. But because of Zoom, nakapag-communicate tayo sa ating mga mag-anak, no, ating loved ones. Tayo po ay nakapaggawa rin po, nakapag-continue ng negosyo. Because we have Zoom, doon po nagamit natin ng Zoom para po tayo magawa ang mga dapat natin gawin nang hindi umaan sa bahay. And ano po ang naging annual revenue ng Zoom? That is $2.65 billion. Napakalaki po niyan. Okay? Kasi po nagamit natin yung Zoom para po tayo ay ang benepisyo ito, makakapag-communicate ka sa mga maraming tao sa iba't ibang parte ng mundo. Now, another subscription industry po na nag-boom is also Costco. Kasi po, di ba, nasa bahay ka lang, so umu-order ka na lang ngayon ng mga grocery and everything po sa mga ganito klaseng negosyo, no? Ngayon po, ang Costco po is a membership company po na kailangan mag-subscribe, pwede ka magbayad monthly or pwede ka magbayad once a year, yearly po, para makabili ka ng produkto sa murang halaga. Magkano ang income niya? Okay, sa membership pa lang, $3.5 billion po sa membership pa lang. Another one is Netflix. Subscription din po ito, no? Ang Netflix din, again, sobra pong lakas po nito during the pandemic season kasi po, lahat tayo nasa bahay so walang entertainment. So, syempre nakakalungkot. Walang sine, wala lahat. So what happened? Lahat ng tao po nanonood na lang po sa Netflix. Nagsasubscribe. And magkano ang revenue ng Netflix? That is around 31.6 billion US dollars. Imagine, times 10 po ng Zoom. So yan po yung mga subscription industries po na talaga nag-boom during the pandemic. And kahit na po ngayon, lahat po ay nagsasubscribe pa rin dyan to get their service or the benefits coming from them. Ano pang iba? Netflix, Costco, Amazon, Disney+, Sam's. Yan po ang mga popular membership companies po na we have to pay every month certain amount para po yung kanilang serbisyo o ang benepisyo po ay makuha niyo. Now, kaya lang po itong mga companies na po to, they do not pay. Hindi ka pwedeng kumita. Bayad ka ng bayad pero hindi ka naman pwedeng kumita. Kaya lang, syempre gusto mo maka-discount. Gusto mo makanood ng sine, gusto mo makanood ng Disney movies. So ikaw, you are paying ang membership para ma-avail mo yung ganung mga benepisyo. Now, let's take in Amazon. Ang Amazon po, okay, ang founder nito is Jeff Bezos. Si Jeff Bezos po, he started Amazon in his garage. In the USA, sa bahay po niya, siya po ay nagbenta ng books through online. Okay, now, then a year after, okay, in 1995, July 16, actually a month, this is last month lang po yan, no? Ika-28th year na po ng Amazon. Nag-start siya sa online book selling, tapos lumaki po ang kanyang negosyo, nag-sell na rin po siya ng mga videos, ng music, ng clothing, okay, ng mga electronics, ng mga cellphones, mga laptops, toys, different kinds of toys, kitchenware, houseware, lahat na po ng pwede mong maisip na kailangan ng tao, sinesell na po niya, binibenta niya. And you have to subscribe and to pay a monthly membership fee to avail of the discount sa Amazon. Okay, and now, Jeff Bezos, the third richest man on earth, ganun po siya kayaman. That was 28 years ago. Now, what is Live Good? Live Good was launched globally last December 13, 2022. So 7.5 months na po tayo ngayon. And this is a business where it is a membership that pays. So sabi niya, nag-member ako, kikita ko. Yun po tayo. Now, we started with high quality and very affordable natural products. Okay, kaya po ako in love. Sabi ko ganun, ang gaganda ng produkto, organic, gusto ko to. Kasi ako po talagang believer of supplements and vitamins as well. Now, Live Good will add more products and services in the near future. In the coming 2 to 3 years from now, we'll be having more than 200 products. Imagine 200 products, okay? And we will be the Amazon of the networking industry. Okay. Now, sino ba ang mga tao behind Live Good based company? Now, we have CEO Ben Glinsky. He has more than 20 years of experience owning and running some of the most successful companies in the nutritional supplement industry. And he knows how to help people win. Okay. Konting trivia lang, 4 years ago, ay na po sana ni Ben Glinsky na magtayo ng ganitong klaseng business because he was so frustrated doon po sa mga flaws, doon po sa mga dating gawi po ng mga ganitong klaseng business. Kasi po, he saw that yung nag-win, yung pong mga kumikita lang is 1 to 3% among the members in a company. At the same time po, yung mga products are highly priced. Member ka na, hindi ka pa makabili. Okay, so sabi niya, napaka-frustrating naman. Konti ang kumikita, ang mahal ng produkto, so hindi nagiging maganda ang negosyo nito kasi konti lang ang nakikinabang. So, now, meron siyang team dito. We have Ryan Goodkin, who is Director of Product Development. We have Lisa Goodkin, Director of Product Education. And we have Noder Kazan, Director of Network Marketing. And we have this mission. We want to help people get healthy and stay healthy without having to spend a fortune to do it. So gusto niya pong gumawa ng pagbabago sa ganitong industriya, baguhin ang platform ng ganitong industriya na ito po ay maging kapaki-pakinabang sa maraming tao. Hindi lang po sa ating health, kundi po maging kumita rin po tayo ng mainam, ng maganda sa ganitong klaseng negosyo. Now, sabi po ni Noder Kazan, the days of selling overpriced products so a few people at the top of a compensation plan can get rich are over. Okay, so babaguhin po natin talaga kung ano po ang sistema ng ganitong klaseng business, and we are doing it right now. Kaya very controversial po, we are trending right now in the whole world. Now, our products are made in the USA. It is approved by GMP, that's Good Manufacturing Practice. At di lang po yan, USDA approved or certified, that is United States Department of Agriculture certification. Meron din po tayo yan. Keto-friendly, vegan, nut-free, marami po, soya-free, ang dami po natin mga produkto napakaganda and purely organic. And all our products are laboratory tested for purity and potency. Now, how do you order products? You can order as a consumer or as a member. Now, as a consumer, you have to pay retail low prices. Again, low prices, mababa pa rin mas consumer ka. But as a member, of course, you will pay low price. Halos factory price na po. And you can see, mamaya, I will compare it. Okay? And as a member, you can save up to 75% compared to the products in other networking companies. Now, ito na po yung ating price comparison. So you will have an idea. So first, we have the CBD oil. Ano ba ang CBD oil? It's cannabidiol. This comes from the hemp of cannabis sativa plant. Very controversial, the marijuana leaves. No? Pero tayo sa oil po tayo nanggagaling. So this is not psychoactive. Huwag kang matakot. Hindi siya addictive. Okay? Kasi less than 0.3% lang ng tetrahydrocannabinol ang present dito. Bakit po siya ginagamit? Bakit siya approved sa maraming countries po sa Western countries? Why? Kasi po marami siyang benepisyo. This is very good for patients who have epilepsy, yung may mga seizure, yung mga may mood disorder, may mga anxiety, mayroong depression, may sleep disorder, hindi makatulog, may insomnia, those people who have inflammatory conditions at may chronic pain, like those patients with cancer, may makikirot sa katawan. Very, very good po ito. Kaya po ito, ginagamit po sa mga bansa na sa America, sa Europe, sa Australia, ginagamit na. Sa atin po, it's coming soon maybe kasi under study pa rin po, no? And the good thing here, yung ating CBD oil is only priced at $18. $18. Now, what's the good thing about Live Good? We are comparing our products po. We are naming the products na kino-compare natin. Unlike other companies, sabihin product A, product B, ito presyo kami, ganito presyo. We are so confident to tell everybody and to compare our prices, our products from the price of other products with the same quality in the market. Just like Green Roads. Ano ba ang kanyang presyo? $89.99. Young Living, $79.95. Imagine, you will have a discount of 77 to 79%. So dito, pag nakita to, hindi lang siya bibili, mag-join na siya para mabili niya ng mura ang produkto. Yun po ang purpose natin. Ano? Para makita mo na magandang produkto at a very low price. Okay, very competitive. Now, we also have Super Greens. Ano ba itong Super Greens na ito? Bakit ba magandang-maganda siya? Okay? Alam na po natin, we cannot eat the fresh fruits and vegetables every single day. Nakailangan naman ng katawan natin para syempre maboost ang ating strong immune system, maboost ang ating energy, okay, ma-improve ang ating digestion, ating blood pressure. Kumbaga maraming functions po na kumakain ka ng fruits and vegetables but you cannot afford kasi mahal. And our Super Greens po, ang laman po ito is organic fruits and vegetables like alfalfa, may wheatgrass yan, may barley, oatgrass, chlorella, spirulina, the superfoods, okay? Green tea, moringa, meron siyang malunggay. Aloe vera, napakaganda po ng aloe vera. Dandelion, ashwagandha. We also have the berries. We have the blackberry, raspberry, strawberries. Those are very high in antioxidants. So napakaganda po na laman nito. Hindi lang po yung marami pa. So ang price natin is only $18. $18. Can you imagine? Organic fee po, no? Living din po ito. 69.99 AG1 athletic greens. 99.99. Can you imagine? No? 74 to 81% ang iyong matitipid. Pag ikaw po pinili super greens na napakaganda. Okay, another one, we have also the multivitamins. Ay, ito po, gumagamit ako nito. Organic. And we have 24 different vitamins and minerals. Again, you cannot get this from the food that you take every day. So maganda po talaga ako, I believer of multivitamins kasi nga po hindi enough ang food na kinakain natin. What else? Napakamura ng ating multivitamins. Imagine, 60 capsules in a bottle will be priced only at 9.95. That's only how much? 560 pesos only. My goodness, di ba? Sobrang mura. Meron po tayo para po sa mga babae kasi may iron. So we have our monthly period. And sa lalaki naman po, yun po, same price din po, 9.95. And we also have the organic coffee, a healthy organic coffee. Okay, ang kagandahan po nito, it has mushroom blends. Meron po tayong 6 na mushroom dito. We have the Cordyceps militaris, the reishi, king trumpet, shiitake, lion's mane, turkey tail. At the same time po, no, meron siya pong healthy fiber. That's why when you take this one, this will give you a feeling of fullness. Kumbaga, nape-prevent po yung hunger. So nakakatulong siya for weight management as well. So magkano lang ito? It's only 17.95. May 30 servings na po yan at organic at napakasarap. We also have the protein po. This is the complete plant-based protein. Ang magkano, this is an ultimate protein supplement giving you, your body, maximum amount of nutrition. At maganda po ang protein ang kasama rito. We have the pea protein. Ay, ano ba ang pea protein? This is the most complete plant protein kasi lahat po ng 9 of the most essential amino acids po ay nandito na. Meron siyang organic hemp protein, fermented protein, may amino acids. Magkano lang siya? It's $22 lang po if you are a member. So yan po ang mga few products po natin na sobrang ganda at the same time po ang price po niya is parang factory price na po. Now, so how do you become a Live Good member? Okay, now, you have to register with your sponsor's link. Kung sino man po ang nag-invite sa inyo ngayon, nagbigay ng link, you can register po sa link na binigay po ng sponsor. You have to pay 9.95 to become a Live Good member so you can buy the products at wholesale price or member's price, and you also stay active by also paying your monthly membership fee. Okay, now that is the first part of our presentation. Now we go to the next part, the second part. Now, would you like to earn up to $2,000 or more per month? If you want, stay tuned at i-discuss po sa inyo ng mabilis lang. Now, we have Live Good affiliates. So we also give you the opportunity to earn income with the most exciting compensation plan in the industry. Okay, now, paano ka magiging affiliate member? Again, you register with the sponsor's link. Nagbigay sila ng link dito, nag-invite, and then you have to pay one time $40. One time lang po ang $40. Now, you'll be having your own business center. Ibig sabihin, may account ka, naka-attach po sa Live Good, para member ka na, at magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong business center. Now, napakahalaga po dito na malaman mo na kapag nagkaroon ka ng link sa Live Good, magkakaroon ka ng sarili mong business account. At dito po kasi sa negosyo na pag-uusapan natin. Now, you'll be having 3 types of customers or prospects or somebody who wants to do the business. The first one will be somebody who wants to take the products and buy the products at member's price. So siya po ay magme-member. Kasi gusto niya ng produkto. Para makamura siya, mag-join siya as a member. The second one will be somebody who is looking for an opportunity, a side hustle, an extra income, another source of income. Who want to have more savings. Yan po yung tao na gusto po niyang gawin ng negosyo. That will be the second person na pwede po mag-join sa inyo. And the third person will be someone who wants to take the products and buy it at member's price, and he also wants to do the business and earn, okay, for his family. Yun po ang tatlong klaseng taong mamimit nyo. And good thing, we have 3 websites na kasama po dyan sa one-time $40 na babayaran mo. So we have the site. This is the site na pong ito is for you para po makabili mo ang products at members price. At the same time, there is a comparison na non-members price. So you can share this to your friends, and once they see this website, I'm sure na mag-join sila kasi nakakamura po sila. Sobrang mura. Imagine 75% less if you are a member. Now the second website will be your Powerline landing page. Ano ba ito? This one is for you to share to anyone, to anybody who wants to do the business. Just share this link, send this link to any part of the world because we are present in more than 230 countries all over the world. Just send this one. Pag nakita yung link, meron ng presentation si Ben Linsky, meron ng product description, meron ng compensation, lahat na po nandoon. Kaya sabi ko, hirap ka, send mo lang ito. Sa link pa lang, makikita mo na pwede mo nang gawin ng business. The third one will be your retail online store. Sobrang ganda. Ano ba retail online store? Imagine, you know Lazada, you know Shopee. Ito po ay bili po sa Lazada at Shopee. Pero imagine po, here, you'll be having your own retail store all over the world. Okay? When you send your link to any people, any person in any part of the world, at nag-order po siya, okay, Live Good will be the one to fulfill the service. This is drop shipping in the whole world. Okay? When that person click the link and buy, okay, any product in your link, okay, nag-pay po siya, Live Good will be the one to pack the products, ship the products to your customer, and then, of course, collect the payment. What happens is yung profit will be transferred by Live Good to your Live Good account. Imagine, you have an online store all over the world. Wala ka ng problema sa Wala ka ng problema sa store, sa renta, sa tao, sa tauhan, sa accounting. Wala ka ng problema. Doon na lahat. Send mo lang yung link mo. And you have an online store na wala ka ng binabayarang pwesto at tao. Now, also, to become an affiliate, you have to pay a monthly membership fee of $9.95. Okay, so pag nagbayad ka ng $9.95, again, ulitin ko lang, may access ka sa membership club, meron kang digital marketing products, yung mga website na yan na yun na magagamit, and you can participate in the compensation plan. Okay, now, what is the compensation plan structure po ng Live Good? This is powered by a powerful unilevel and force matrix. This is infinite wide. Unlimited po ang pwede mong sharean po ng business. Again, this is 10 levels deep. Kikita ka hanggang 10 levels down. At the same time, meron tayong matrix na tinatawag, yung force matrix wherein it is a 2x15. Ibig sabihin po nito, okay, on the first level, 2 tao, and you will earn up to level 15. Yan po yun. Now, we have actually 7 ways of earning po sa Live Good. We have the weekly fast start bonus. As the name implies, weekly, linggo-linggo, fast start mabilis. Okay, yan po ang pinakamagandang. Mabilis kang kumita, linggo-linggo. Now, it's Wednesday. Tomorrow, payday na naman po. So everybody here na nasa Live Good is so happy and excited to say, one day from now, kita na naman po tayo, payday na naman. It's a monthly. So can you imagine, monthly po payday natin tomorrow. Ang dami nating source ng income tomorrow. Yay! Now, we also the retail commissions. This is selling or benta-benta. With the influencer bonuses, diamond bonus pool, diamond crown bonus pool, with the matching bonuses, and the matrix commissions. Okay, are you following po ba? Just tell me kung mabilis ako so I can tone down kung magpapagalan po natin. Okay? So, I'll be discussing the 4 ways of earning. So, this is the weekly fast start bonuses, matrix commissions, matching bonuses, and okay lang. Thank you po. And thank you NOA and diamond bonus pool. Okay, now, so let's take in the weekly fast start commission. Ano ba to? Ito po yung ma-earn mo every week. Okay? So every week, kikita ka because you are signing up directs. Okay? So meron tamang hanggang 10th level. Sabihin po dito, sa first level, kumita ka. Ngayon, meron po tayong tatawag na mga position. Okay? Meron pong bronze, silver, gold, platinum, and diamond. As you level up, As you achieve a higher rank, you also achieve higher earning. Okay? For each person who you refer to Live Good and who becomes a member and an affiliate, or they pay an amount of $49.95, okay, you'll be rewarded $25 commission, which will be paid out the very next week. Isang linggo, ibayad sa'yo. Okay? Just look at this figure, this diagram, okay? So mamaya po, explain ko na lang siya unti-unti. Okay, now, so, again, you earn, so weekly fast start, you earn $25 for every referral that you have for each person. Example, you refer 10 persons. And this, of course, you multiply $25 by 10 persons, so you earn $250 direct referral. And this is unlimited. Kumbaga, wala po itong limit. Did you know po, no? Yung ating pong nasa leaderboard ngayon, he has 963 directs. Imagine, 963. Pag multiply mo ng $25, that will be how much? $24,000. Pag kinonvert mo sa piso, that is 1.4 million pesos. Directs pa lang po niya yan. So can you see how lucrative the business is? Napaka-rewarding. So dito unlimited, at gaano karami, daan-daan ng kunin mo, okay lang, wala pong problema. Sabay-sabay mo silang i-encode, sabay-sabay magsanap, okay din lang po. Wala din pong problem. Now, so sabi ko nga po, no, pag unrank ka, you earn 50% from all your directs. Now, we have the first position, the bronze position. So maalaga lang po na malaman natin na habang tumataas ang iyong posisyon, gumaganda po lalo ang iyong kitaan. Now, para mag-bronze ka, kailangan mo lang ng dalawang tao lang po, mag-bronze ka na, and you will earn up to the second level. Ibig sabihin po niyan, ikaw po, si A, nakuha mo si A. Ngayon si A, meron po siyang nakuha. Kaya A, kumita ka ng $25. Yung si A, meron siyang nakuha. Pag may nakuha si A, kikita ka pa rin ng 10%, that is $5. Yung po yun. Sa second level, kikita ka ng $5. Okay. So pagka nakadalawa ka, bronze ka na ngayon, we have the silver. Silver lang naman, up to level 4, kikita ka. So yan po, no? 60-70% ang kita mo. Now, para maging silver ka, kailangan mo lang po ng 20 directs or kailangan mo ng 10 directs, tapos yung 10 directs na pakuhanin mo ang tagi-tagisa, silver ka na, 20 na ang iyong team. Or if you have 3 bronzes, okay, in different legs at the same time, you have, okay, a team of 20 people. Yun po. No? Automatic silver ka na. And you earn up to the 4th level. So, ibig sabihin, habang tumataas ang rango mo, palalim ka, kumikita. So, this one naman is the gold. Sa gold, kasi may nakuha ka sa first level. In the first level, may kinuha, kikita ka ng 10%. May kinuha naman si second, kikita ka ng 5. May kinuha naman si 4th, hanggang 5th, hanggang 6th level, kumikita ka. Maliit lang tingnan, pero marami po yan. So, mas maganda habang tumataas ang iyong rank, okay, lumalaki ang iyong income. Now, paano ka magiging gold? Kailangan lang po ng 30 directs and a team of 100 people, or pwede kang magkaroon ng 3 silvers at the same time we have a team of 100 people, or meron kang 4 legs, yung tatlo po meron pong 30 each, and yung ika-4th leg mo has 10 members, so we have a total of 100 members. Now, next level is the platinum. Again, you'll be earning up to the 8th level. Imagine, kilala, 8 beses na po sa ilalim. You'll still be earning doon po sa mga tao na nag-join sa ilalim mo hanggang 8th level. Yun po yun. Now, how do you become a platinum? Kailangan mo lang po ng 100 directs, or you need a team, also a team of 500 members, or you need 3 gold in different legs at the same time a team of 500 people, or you have 4 legs. Yung tatlo po dyan, may 150 each, so 450 na yan, and the other one have 50 people. That will be a team of 500 people. Okay? So ito, ano lang, pasadahan ko lang po para ma-imagine mo na doable po talaga itong business. Now, we have posed the diamond position. Ang diamond, imagine, level 1 to 10, kikita ka. 80% po ang kikita mo sa lahat po from level 1 to level 10. Can you imagine? Kaya lahat po tayo nag-i-aim ng diamond. At the same time po, kasi po, meron pang isang magandang benepisyo pag ito po naging diamond. Hindi lang po level 10 ng earnings mo. At the same time po, sobrang ganda. Now, so how do you become a diamond? Again, you need to have 3 ako platinum, okay, with a total team of 2,500 people, or you have 5 legs, meron siyang 500 each, so you have a total of 2,500 people. So that is our weekly fast start bonus. Mabilis ang kikita every week pagka meron kang directs. The more directs you have, nakataas ang position mo. At the same time, you have more earnings. Now, we go to the matrix commission. Okay, ito po yung talagang pinagkakatanungan po ng karamihan. Nagtatanong, paano kung kikita ka ng 2,047 nang wala akong directs? Okay, doon po, no? I'll be showing you paano yan. No? When you lock in your position in LiveGood, you are given your own business center in our fast filling 2x15 matrix. As more people join in LiveGood every week, they are placed in the matrix under everyone who is already there, following their enroller. So the sooner you lock in your position, the higher you are. So makita niyo po dito, kayo po yung nasa top. Ikaw po yon. Now, on the first level, just have 2 people. Kailangan dalawa lang po yung slot dyan. Pwedeng pamilya mo or your directs, okay, or spill over. Okay, now, sa monthly matrix mo, sa matrix commission, you are paid 0.25 for every member under your team or organization na nagbabayad ng monthly matrix na 9.95. Example po dito, kita mo dito, no, sa level 12 has 8,192 people. Now, let's say, on the 256 na tao, nasa ilalim po nyo ng iyong matrix, you will be paid 0.25 cents. Multiplied by 256 people under your matrix, hindi mo naman lahat kilala, pwedeng spill over, o kaya ikaw di pa ang nakakuha sa directs, okay, lumaki na lang ang grupo mo, you multiply that 256 people multiplied by 0.25, that is $64. Ganun po ang earnings sa matrix. Now, paano kikita ka ng 2,047? When your matrix is filled up to the 12 level, okay, and then you multiply, that will be how many people? That's 8,192 people under you sa level 12. Multiply by 0.25, you'll be earning $2,047 every single month. That is how much? 100,000 pesos every month. As long as you are paying the monthly membership fee of 9.95. Again, I repeat, you earn 0.25. Now, tatanong mo sa akin, Doc, paano kung let's say mapuno yan after 2 years, 2 years pa akong kikita? Hindi po. Now, let's say on the first one, you have 10 people like this one sa figure, no, sa diagram. You multiply, these 10 people are paying their monthly membership under you. Pwedeng ito po ay spill over coming from your enroller, from your sponsor, or ikaw na po, kasi mag-please ka, marami kang na-sharean, marami kang directs, na-refer sa company. So you have many people under your team. Now, let's say you have 10 people on the first month. Okay? Now, you multiply this one by 0.25, so you earn $2 and $2.50. That will be your matrix income. Okay, now, so sabi mo, bakit naging $2,000? Sabi ko nga kanina, pag na-filled up yung matrix up to level 12, unrank ikaw, wala kang position, nagbayad ka lang ng membership fee, at the same time you are paying the monthly membership, you will be earning 2,047 pag kumpleto na si matrix mo. Now, as you rank up, palaki ng palaki ang yung earnings. When you become bronze, okay, you'll be earning up to level 13. So pag na level 30 na ang iyong matrix na filled up, you'll be earning double. That will be 4,095. Why? Kasi yung level 13, 2,000 na po kaagad yun. Yung earnings doon. Okay? Same as silver. Sa gold din naman, sa gold level 14, sa gold and platinum. Again, this will be $8,191 every month. At pag napuno mo up to level 15 at go in diamond position, you'll be earning $16,000. How much is that? That will be around 890,000 or 900,000 pesos every single month. Yun po yun. Now, the third way of edging is, kung na-excite ka na doon, hindi po exciting yun. Kasi we have, the most exciting part is the matching bonus. Paano yun? Sa matching bonus, okay, you earn up to 5 generations deep and you earn 50% from what your directs earn every month from their matrix. Sample po nito, no? Para mas madali natin maintindihan. Let's say, before I continue, this is infinite wide. Ibig sabihin, you can have as many directs as you can. Sabi ko nga po sa leaderboard si Daniel Pilon, he has 963 directs. So dito unlimited, kahit gaano karami pwede mo siyang gawin. Now, let's say meron kang 4 directs. Now, your first direct earned $1,000. Okay, now magkano matching bonus mo? You earn half of that. 50% of 1,000 will be $500. Let's say meron kang pangalawang direct kasi importante yung matching bonus ha. So you understand na mahalaga pala meron akong directs. Let's say yung second direct earned $500. You earn half of that. That will be $250. Yung third direct mo, meron kang $100 meron siyang $100 na kinita. So you'll be earning $50. Yung fourth direct mo, meron siyang 200. So you earn half of that. That will be $100. So the more directs you have, the more matching bonuses that you will have. So di ba napakaganda po? Now, again, ito pasadahan ko lang. No? Dito po, as you rank up again, you will be paid up to 5 generations. Ganyan po yan. So madami na namang numbers. So paano ba yan? Ano lang po to, para lang magkaroon ka na idea. Hindi ko masyado nito kasi baka nahihirapan ka ng i-digest yung dami ng numbers. Pero ganun po talaga. Okay? Pero as you listen, as you attend our trainings, maintindihan mo na lalo kang ma-excite every day na natututunan mo na ganun pala kaganda po ang earnings potential po ng LiveGood. Now, here, let's say you have 10 personal directs. Okay? Now, you earn 50% on the first generation. That will be, of course, $50. Now, the second generation, may earnings ka na naman na 10%. Sa gold, may earning ka na naman sa third level ng 5%. So, what I meant is here, you are earning matching bonuses not just on your first generation, but you can earn up to the 5th generation. So, hindi ko na ito i-explain kasi malito pa lang. But sa tandaan mo rito, kikita ka sa first generation, second, third, fourth, hanggang 5th generation sa matching bonuses. Imagine, just earning sa first generation, excited ka na eh. Kalahati na ng matching, ng matrix ng iyong directs, you are earning much. How much more pagka ikaw nag-level up pa? Tumaas ang iyong rank. So, napaka-exciting po ng matching bonuses. Now, I'll be through in just 5 minutes na lang po. Now, what happens is this one. Imagine po, ikaw po, sabihin mo sa akin, Doc, wala po akong makuha kasi talagang ako na lang po sasali. Pero I will be showing you this one para makita mo ang halaga na kailangan hanggat maaari mag-join ka ng dalawa mong family member. Why? Because sabi ko nga, if you get 2 people, okay, you will achieve the bronze rank. Magiging bronze ka na. So you will not be earning $2,000. You'll be earning $4,000 every single month once your matrix is filled up to level 13 kasi bronze ka na. At the same time, di ba sabi ko kanina, you earn a matching bonus of 50% sa yung directs. Now, you have 2 directs. The family member mo, pwedeng asawa mo, anak mo, your husband, your wife, or your children. Okay, now, these 2 people na yung directs also paid the monthly membership fee every month. That's why when their matrix is filled up hanggang level 12, they will be earning $2,000 each. So how much is that? Silang dalawa po, meron $4,095. Ayoko na sabihin yung butal para mas madaling ma-absorb. Now, so imagine, you earn $4,000 as a bronze, then your 2 family members will be earning $2,000 each because they are paying the monthly matrix and their matrix filled up to the 12th level. And then you will be earning 50% of the $4,000 na na-earn po ng dalawang direct mo. How much is it? That will be $2,000. So, ano ang total income ng family mo? That will be, okay, $10,000 every single month. And how much is that? That is $500,000 pesos. Hindi po biro ang kitaan po sa LiveGood. See? Just by getting 2 people. Now, let's say naman you have at least 20 directs. 20 directs mo naman, say for example, they just pay the monthly membership. Busy sila, pero nagbabayad sila ng monthly membership fee. Pero wala po silang directs. Now, what happens is this, they will be earning $2,000 every month. Or you earn 50% matching bonus from their earnings. So that will be 20 people times $1,000. That will be $20,000. And how much is that? 1.1 million every single month. Another scenario is you have 30 direct referrals. who are all bronzes. Bronze sila lahat. So they will be earning 6,000 pesos every month. So you earn half of that. That will be 3,000 pesos. Times 30 people, 30 directs. That will be $90,000 or 5 million pesos. Talagang mind-blowing pag-iisip mo. Sabi mo, wow, grabe. Talaga po grabe. Okay? So that is how we earn in the matching bonus. So very exciting that you know, talagang ganun po talaga ang earning potential po ng ating business. And now the fourth way of earning will be the diamond bonus pool. If you are a diamond, okay, you will be sharing 2% from the total company sales every month. Yung 2% will be split among those qualified sa Diamond Rank members. And of course, we are so proud to announce na meron po tayong diamonds. Ating pong Grand Mentor, Coach Vilma Sapulao is already a Diamond Rank achiever. So napaka-exciting. Imagine, every month you have a profit share from the company. Sa ibang company po, this is yearly. Once a year po binibigay. But here, monthly, you are a profit sharer if you are a Diamond Rank achiever. Okay? Now, so sabi mo sa akin, Doc, ang dami naman na 8,000 people. Yes, madami. Kung ikaw lang ang kukuha doon, mag-isa. That is too much. Now, here we have the system. We have the power of 2, meaning you enroll 2 personal directs per week. Now, yung first level will be your slot. That will be your 2 persons that iyong i-invite and then they will be your direct referrals. Now, so ang gagawin mo lang, you have to teach this 2 direct to also do the same. Kumuha rin ng dalawa. You just ask your direct, do you want to earn 1,000 pesos, 100,000 pesos every month? Yes, sabi, syempre, wala namang maghihintay, di ba? In 4 months, kaya mong kumita ng 100,000. Talaga? Kaya, yes. Kaya mo kumuha ng 2 directs? Kaya ko naman. Kasi kikita ka ng 100,000, di ka kukuha ng 2? I don't think so. Hindi mo ito gagawin pag naintindihan mo. Ang gagawin mo lang, on your first week, you get your 2. First week. On the second week, you teach your 2 directs to get their 2s. Okay? Ang obligasyon lang na lahat ng sasalay, pag naintindihan nyo, just get your 2. Just get your 2. So every week, nadadagdagan, lumalaki ang team mo. And when you reach the 15th week, that's only 4 months, less than 4 months. Imagine, filled up na ang matrix mo up to the 15th level. 15th level filled up just by getting 2, enrolling 2, and teaching those 2s to get their 2 every week. Dalawa lang ang obligasyon mo. Can you imagine? You'll be earning, actually pag 15th level na po, that will be the diamond na po yun, 15th level. That will be how much? $16,000. That is almost 900,000 pesos. Hindi po biro. Hindi po biro. Ikaw nga, pag inoferan ka ng negosyo, okay, let's say pupunta ka sa abot kita, or let's say now, sabihin siya ng boss mo, I'll be giving you a salary of 100,000 pesos. Kailangan ko mausap ko ng 100 tao araw-araw. Gagawin mo, oo naman, 100,000 ang pinag-uusapan eh. Kakausap ko ng 100 tao, kakausap talaga, gagawa ka ng way para makausap mo 100 tao. 100 tao, tama, no? Sa negosyo natin, you have just to ask to get 2 people. 2 people every week. My goodness, 2 people every week. That's chicken. Mandali lang yan. You'll be earning 100,000 after 4 months. Why not? Diba? So that's it. So here, to fill up your matrix, hindi lang ikaw ang gagawa para madumami 8,000 people. No. Just do the system and definitely you'll be having a complete force matrix after 4 months. Now, okay? So ito lang po yung pinakita po natin. Yan po yung earnings natin. And I just had to point this out. Now, let's say on the 5th month, 5th level, meron ka ng 62 people. Okay? Sa ating pong matrix, hindi mo kailangan punuin siya ng hanggang level 2 para kumita ka. Every month, kung may 10 kang tao, you'll be earning 0.25 sa monthly matrix mo. That will be 2.50 or $2.50. Now, if you have 100 people, that will be $25. What's the point? Here, you need 100 people, okay, who are actively paying their membership fee every month to earn $25. Okay, but if you do the fast track, okay, you get 1 direct, you earn, in 1 person, you earn $25. So that's a difference. So dito, kung mabilis mo gustong kumita, you do the fast track. Kasi at the same time, lumalaki ang iyong grupo, at the same time, kung marami ka natutulungan. Okay, yan po, no? Yan po yung sample lang po. Nakikita mo every level po up to the 15th level. Now, here again, meron pong mga tao naman mabilis. They can get 10. Okay? Anong pwede mangyari if you get 10 people in 1 month? Then teach your 10 directs to get their 10s as well. The second month, 100 na kayo. The third month, 1,000 na kayo. And on the fourth month, 10,000 na kayo. And you multiply it by 0.25, magkano earnings mo? That will be $2,500 for your monthly matrix. Okay? Now, we're done. We're done. So dito po, no, if you are given the link by someone who invited you now sa ating pong webinar, please lang po, you can pre-enroll. You can register. This is a free temporary position para po nakapila ka na sa iyong matrix. Okay, nakapila ka na. And come before Thursday, cut off natin, when you register, nandun ka na po sa iyong position. Okay? Now, very important po kasi ang position and timing po sa negosyo because we are pioneering at ngayon po we are now in the 550,000 mark. Ibig sabihin po, 500,000 na po ang members ng Live Good and still, we are still in the pioneering stage. So, nandun ka pa rin sa tip ng iceberg. So, please, kumbaga, kung naiintindihan mo ang business natin na napakaliit lang na iyong pupuhunanin, but you will be given a very big return, please lang po, decide fast, act fast kasi po every single day we are getting a lot of members because ang ating pong average is 180 to 200 members every hour is joining Live Good every hour. So in a day, mga 3,000 to 5,000 in a day. In a week, that's around 25,000 people are joining Live Good. So sobrang lakas po ang paglaki po ng ating company. Now, so to prove you, ito lang po, konti lang po pakita ko. So sabihin siguro sa Doc, baka naman wala nakakaresulta dyan. Marami po nakakaresulta. Now, we have of course Coach Fernan ngayon po. And we are so proud because Coach Fernan now is the second crown diamond po sa buong mundo. Now, Philippines po is one of the fastest country na nag-grow po. Sobrang lakas ng paglaki po sa Live Good. Now, this is his earning. I think this is 2 months ago. Ito updated. Nakasa 40,000 po siya 2 months ago. How much is this? Mga 2 million na po yan. Imagine just 4 months of doing the business. We also have Tim Miller. Ngayon po, Tim Miller nasa 400,000 club member na po. That's how much? That's 22 million. And Tim Miller po was homeless, was penniless, just last October, that was 9 months ago. But because of Live Good, talagang dramatic yung change ng kanyang buhay. And this is really mind-blowing. Okay? Totoo po yun. Pero nangyayari, totoo po ito. Now, we have our grand mentor who is an American Spanish, Jesse Garcia. Nasa 90,000 club member na rin po siya. No? Nasa po ang ating grand mentor from USA. Okay? Now, so there are top 4 reasons why you have to join Live Good. Okay? We just officially launched globally. Kasi nga po, December 13 last year, tayo po ay nasa 7th month pa lang po ng ating pong company. So very pioneering. So you have to maximize the opportunity of being one of the pioneers in Live Good. And also, of course, ito po, nagustuhan ko, we have high quality products, very affordable, organic, ng taas po ng certification. So napakaganda po. So hindi ka mahihiyang i-share sa mga tao na maski na po mga rich people po kasi po very high quality ang ating products. Then we have, as I mentioned earlier, we have all the tools, the marketing system, the training available sa lahat na magiging members. So hindi ka mahihirapan na gawin ang business kahit bago ka pa lang. Madaling-madali mo lang siyang magagawa. And we have this, yung pong ating compensation plan. The pay plan of Live Good is so simple. It's powerful, it's rewarding, it's lucrative, it's straightforward, and very, very easy. Diba? So dito po talagang napakadali po ng lahat ng bagay. So kaya po sobrang ganda po. Yan po ang the top 4 reasons why you have to join Live Good. Now, I just wanted to ask you if you are an A, a B, or a C. A, I want to become an affiliate member. B, I want to become a member. Or C, I want to become a retail customer. Okay, yan po, no? So I hope po, no, nagigets po natin na ganun po. A, Coach Stacy, thank you. A, Coach Vicenta, thank you po. A po, no? Meron po ba mga A po sa atin? Okay? So Coach Merlinda is A din po, no? So nagets po nila na ganun po kaganda ang ino-offer po ng ating company. Coach Sandra, thank you so much. Okay, A din po siya. Coach Gisette, thank you. A. Okay, Ma'am John, Sir John, okay, A din po siya, no? So I think most of us understood how the business works. So really, yan po, no? Sa lahat po yan, Minda. At po tayo po, gusto natin po talaga ang negosyo. Napakaganda, napakaliit ng punan, pero napakaganda ng return. Achiever DJ, thank you so much. Coach Freddy, thank you so much po, no? Now, so this is already, I'm almost done. So disclaimer lang po, no? The information po herein has been provided as an information service only, not a financial or medical service. The accuracy or completeness of the information is not warranted and is only reliable as the sources from which it was obtained. Now, also note that the delivery or courier fees are not inclusive to product pricing, and the monthly subscription of $9.95 is a requirement to remain an active member of Fleetwood. Okay, now, so again, no? So you get back to the person who invited you. Thank you very much for keeping up with me. I hope marami po tayo natutunan. And as a mantra po ng ating team, just remember this. Kung member ka na, remember this one by heart. Okay? You go for bronze on your first week. Bronze po tayo. Get to. Yun lang po. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. Napakadali. Just remember, you will be earning 100,000 pesos after 4 months. Will you be getting your twos? Of course, yes. Get your two. Get two. Napakadali po ng dalawa. Kapag ang iyong goal, kikita ka ng 100,000 after 4 months. Right? At hindi lang po yun. You can achieve the highest position. That is the diamond. So get two. Go for bronze on your first week. Pass it on and maximize the matrix. Yun po, no? Okay. So thank you so much po. Did you learn a lot? Okay. So yun po, no? Yung pong nakita ko sa business natin at sobrang ganda. That's why po, at talaga pong ito po ay pinag-aralan ko, inaral ko mabuti. Sabi ko, if this is something new to me, bagong-bago, kahit may experience. Thank you so much po sa lahat. Thank you so much po. I hope you learned a lot. Now, ngayon po, no, I want to share with you yung pong isa pong aking pong leader po na sobra pong na-exciting po siya sa ganitong klaseng business. Thank you so much po. Now, ito pong leader ko na to po is somebody po na na-inspire. Very inspiring po itong tao na to. Siya po ay nagsimula din po dito. Una po nakiramdam din po siya. Kamukha ko din, nakiramdam muna siya. Siya po magkukwento ko. Sobra pong itong Thank you po, Coach Vilma. Thank you so much. Ito pong taong to po ay grabe po, very hardworking. Very hardworking. At mapapakita po niya sa inyo na dito po sa negosyong ito, you can do this. Kahit ano pa ang yung pinanggalingan ng pang-estado ng buhay mo, wala pong pinakilala kung ikaw man po saan po nanggaling. Wala po. Grade 1, grade 2, kung ikaw ay isang factory worker, kung ikaw po ay isang basurero, wala po ditong pag-uusapan. Ang pag-uusapan po dito yung kung gusto mo po na mangyari sa buhay mo. Thank you so much po. No? Ang dito po, ang pag-uusapan po kung ano po, gaano kalalim ang gusto mo na mabago ang buhay mo, you can do this one. Whatever, wherever you are, whoever you are. Whoever you are. So dito po, sobrang ganda. So I'll be sharing the screen with you, yung pong ating pong share ngayon tonight. Siya po ay grabe po itong babae nito. Business-minded, goal-oriented, ang bilis po niyang make up ng negosyo, hardworking, punong-puno po yung puso nito, punong-puno po talaga ng inspiration, ng motivation, sobra. Imagine po nung ginawa po niya nagseryoso sa negosyo to, just less than 2 weeks po siya po nag-gold. Yun po, no? Di ba po siya ganun kaseryoso kasi po nakatago siya. Ngayon po, hindi na po siya nakatago, kaya talaga pong this will be actually po isa po sa mga leaders ko talaga po definitely papunta na po talaga sa top position. Now, siya po, to tell you po, siya po ay isa pong kasambahay. Kasambahay po siya. Yes, kasambahay po siya. But because of this business po, nabago po lahat ng outlook niya, nabago ang personality, nabago po siya. Hindi mo siya makikita na galing po siya sa ganung pong sitwasyon before. Because this company, this business really brings out the best in you. It brings out the angel in you. So kung ikaw po mahiyain, hindi mo kaya to, feeling mo parang wala, hindi to kaya, no, kaya mo to. As you go along the business, sigurado po mababago ka, mababago ang perception, mababago ang motivation, mababago lahat ng gusto mo sa buhay, because this is really a very, very nice experience for anybody po na mahiyain at parang feeling nga inferior siya. Okay? So, okay po. I think you're ready now, Coach. Okay, you're ready now. So without further ado po, I'm going to present to you our sharer for tonight, Coach Lenny Amarante. Okay, let's give a big hand for Coach Lenny Amarante.
Ayan na po, okay. Coach.
Now,
she's now online.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, Coach Lenny, yours. Okay, good evening. Thank you po, Coach Vilma.
All right. Thank you so much, Doc Lori. And before I start, bago po ako magsimula, na mag-share po sa inyo ng aking kwento kung paano po ako na-involve sa ganitong business and kung paano po ako na-in-love sa Live Good and bakit ako nandito ngayon. And allow me to share, allow me to introduce myself. I'm Lenny Amarante and ang dati ko pong background bago po ako nag-negosyo ng ganito po, ako po ay isang kasambahay dito po sa Maynila and ang province ko po is Dumaguete. So, Bisaya. Kaway-kaway sa mga Bisaya, sa mga Bisdak. So Bisaya po ako and pumunta ako dito sa Maynila para mangatulong or mag-work bilang kasambahay. At that time, ang sahod ko po nung time na yon is 2,500 pesos per month. So, ano ba namang asahan natin na pagbabago ng buhay kung ganun lang kaliit talaga yung sahod. So after high school, pumunta nga po ako dito and akala ko magbabago na yung buhay ko pag nandito na ako sa Maynila. Kasi karamihan ng mga kaibigan ko, kapitbahay namin, talagang pupunta sila dito kasi nandito daw yung opportunity. So nung nandito na ako, 4 years na ako mahigit na nagtatrabaho, wala pa din. Walang ipon, nakakapag-day off once a month, pero ang savings talagang hindi pinag-uusapan. No? Basta nakapagpapadala lang buwan-buwan, nakakapag-day off lang buwan-buwan, okay na yun. Pero habang tumatagal, nakakasawa din pala. And bakit ko to sinishare? Kasi I don't know kung ano yung background nyo. Hindi ko alam kung paano kayo na-invite, paano po kayo na-invite nila no, ng ating mga business partners to join this Zoom meeting. Hindi ko alam. Pero allow me to share my story kasi malay natin. No? Meron po kayong konting mapulot na pwede rin ninyong magamit. Na meron akong word na mabanggit na makapag-trigger sa'yo na i-try yung business na to, subukan yung negosyo na to, silipin, pag-aralan, para ikaw naman yung magka-result. So ano po yung nangyari sa akin na bakit ako pumasok sa ganitong business? Kasi kagaya ko, wala na akong ibang opportunity or for me, pwede ako, ang pagpipilian ko lang manatili dito, antayin na maging mayordoma para tumaas ang sahod or go abroad, no? Pumunta sa ibang bansa, pumunta sa abroad para kumita ng mas malaking sahod. Pero, again, at that time kasi bata pa ako. 16 years old pa ako nag-start mag-work. So, talagang hindi pa din pwedeng pumunta sa ibang bansa. So, ang choice ko na lang talaga is mag-work bilang kasambay at the same time, sabayan ng pagninegosyo. So, pinagsabay ko po yung dalawa na yon at mahirap sa akin kasi as high school graduate, unang-una wala namang alam sa business, walang background sa sales. At the same time, hindi naman din mga negosyante yung family ko, lalo na yung papa at mama ko. So, meaning to say, mahirap para sa akin kung paano ko talaga ipasok yung sarili ko, ipasok sa sistema ko yung ganitong business. Kasi ito yung negosyo na kailangan talagang malakas yung loob mo, dapat mag-a-adapt ka, mag-a-adjust ka, kasi hindi pwedeng, kumbaga, kung ano ako bilang kasambahay, ito pa rin ako dito. Hindi Dapat mag-iba, dapat ma-adapt ko kung ano meron sa business. And that's one thing na kailangan mong matutunan, na kailangan ma-adapt mo kung anong meron dito. Kasi yung current situation na meron tayo ngayon, it's okay. Kasi yan talaga yung result sa mga desisyon na ginawa natin 1 or 2 years ago. Pero yung mga gagawin natin ngayon, yung hakbang, yung desisyon na gagawin natin ngayon, yan yung magbibigay sa atin ng result 1 to 2 years from now. Pero yung iba dito sa Live Good, Naku, ang bilis lang. Yung iba, one week, 1 month, depende ha. Hindi ko sinabing pag nag-join ka today, bukas makalawa or next week, kumita ka na ng malaki. Depende pa rin po yan sa sipag mo. So actually po, paano po ba ako naipasok dito? Si Doc Lori kasi, konting background lang po, no? Si Doc Lori kasi, hindi naman sobrang close. Feeling close lang ako kay Doc. Para pag masakit yung ulo ko, masakit ang bewang ko, Doc, anong gamot dito? Kaya nagpapareseta tayo ng kay Doc Lori. So, naging friend ko si Doc and nakilala ko siya siguro mga 3 years na din, mahigit magpo 4 years na din na kakilala ko siya. And nung time kasi na nag-exit po siya sa previous company namin, ako po yung na-shock at nagulat ako kasi sabi ko, wala na kaming Doc. Bakit umalis si Doc? So, na-curious po ako, kaya mag-ingat kayo pag na-curious kayo kasi mai-invite talaga kayo. Ako po yung tipo ng taong hindi talaga basta-basta na-i-invite. Ayoko yung palipat-lipat. Ayoko yung, ay ito bago, dito na naman ako. Ayoko nang ganun, especially pag lumipat ako at same lang din ang gagawin ko. The reason why I consider Live Good, kasi ang layo niya sa previous company na pinanggalingan ko. So, I consider this kasi ang ganda niya, ang ganda ng kitaan, ang ganda ng platform, ang liit ng puhunan. Kasi na-i-experience ko po ito, na nakokonsensya ako, na pinapa-invest ko, nag-i-invest yung mga tao ng malaki and then hindi nila nakukuha yung expectation nila na income. Hindi nila nababawi yung puhunan nila kasi hindi nila nabenta yung mamahaling produkto, hindi nila nabenta yung products na hawak nila, na-expirean sila ng products, na-experience ko pa na, sige, bilhin ko na lang yung product mo, makabawi ka lang. Remedyohan natin yan. Okay lang ba ibalik ko na lang sa members price kahit SRP yun nung pagbili niya ng package. So, ang bigat sa pakiramdam na ganun po yung nangyayari. Nung nakita ko ang Live Good, sabi ko, 2.8. Ang liit. So, sabi ko, pinanggagas or pinangkakain ko lang yung 2.8, pinang-shopee ko lang po yung 2.8. So, what's 2.8? So, in short po, nagpumosisyon ako kay Doc Lori and hindi ko win-workout. Kasi unang-una, naintindihan ko na 2,800 ang capital, maganda ang website, pinag-isipan, ang ganda talaga, nagustuhan ko yung website, hindi ko lang maintindihan ang compensation plan. Hindi ko maintindihan kasi hindi ko inintindi. Yun pala yun. Hindi ako matay ng Zoom. After ko mag-member, ang daming sinend si Doc sa akin na video, hindi ko talaga inintindi at hindi ako pumasok sa Zoom. Kasi sabi ko, meron akong gustong patunayan eh. Nakikita ako na wala akong gagawin. Di ba? So, yun ang ginawa ko. Kaya lang may isang taong naniwala sa akin na I'm so thankful sa tao na to kasi nakilala ko siya sa TikTok and sumama po siya sa akin sa previous company ko and sabi niya, may nag-invite sa akin sa Live Good, okay lang ba sumali ako doon? Ako kasi yung tipo ng coach or upline na dito ka lang. Hindi kita pipilitan na dito ka lang. Sabi ko, sige, go. Kung kikita ka, makakabawi ka. Kung saan ka mas kikita. Kasi yan yung first reason bakit tayo nagninegosyo is for us to earn. Para kumita. Hindi lang para maging loyal. Kasi pag di ka na kumikita, di ba? Pag wala ka ng pambayad sa bills mo, sino tutulong sa'yo? So sabi ko, sige, go. Pero sabi niya, gusto ko magka-team pa rin tayo. So, nag-join po siya sa akin si Ma'am Judith Castro. Shout out sa'yo. And at that time, nung nag-join po siya, ay, hataw. Ang dami niyang directs. Nakuha po niya si Ma'am Divina from Canada. And ang dami niyang tao. I think nasa 1,000 plus na sila ngayon. And ako po, nandito pa rin ako. Kalmado pa lang din. Meron pa rin akong gustong patunayan. So ako po, trabahante po ako ni Ma'am Judith na walang sahod. Kasi ako yung taga-reply ng page na, taga-edit ng mga, kunyari may mga bago siyang sign up, pag busy siya sa work, ako yung magre-reply sa page. Pero yung personal organization ko or personal directs ko, hindi ko nagagawa kasi hindi ko nga inintindi ang Live Good. So 3 weeks ago, sabi ko ito na, this is it. Ipupush ko na to. Kasi may mga pumapasok na earnings. Kumikita ako ng pera, may mga pumapasok sa akin every week na hindi ko pa tinodo. So alam ko kasi sa sarili ko na pag once nagseryoso ako at ibigay ko yung todong hataw ko sa Live Good, I know nakikita ako ng malaki. So, nag-decide pa ako 3 weeks ago na i-push ko na talaga to. And then 7 days ago, nag-resign pa ako sa previous company. Ako po yung nakapag-sales po doon ng 24 million sales. Malaki, di ba? Di ba? So, kaya sabi ko, kaya ko siya i-push dito sa Live Good kasi dito 75% discount. Kumbaga, somehow magkakaroon ka ng comparison. Ako din naman ako matalinong tao, pero nagkakaroon ako ng comparison na mas worth it pag dito ko itodo. Mas worth it pag dito ko ihataw. Kasi ayoko naman din habang buhay magbebenta, ayoko naman din habang buhay mag-i-invite. My gosh, di ba? Gusto naman din natin makapag-retire. And I think, and alam ko na dito sa Live Good makukuha natin yon, di ba? So, pinush ko siya within, I think 2 to 3 weeks, na hit ko po yung gold position. Hindi pa ako nagpo-posting noon na talagang todo walwal, nito lang, nagpo-post na ako. Meron ako mga video na ginawa ngayon na nagpo-post ako sa Facebook ko, ang daming taong nagtatanong sa akin, paano ba yan? Ano ba yung Live Good? Ang dami talaga na hindi ako nahihirapang mag-direct ng tao. And nag-post din ako sa TikTok ko, ang dami din po talagang nagtatanong kung paano maging part sa Live Good. So doon ko nakita na, ay, ang daming mga taong naghahanap ng mas mura, ang daming mga taong kailangan ang Live Good. So for me, kung mag-i-invite ka ngayon, wag mo isipin na baka anong sabihin niya. Baka i-reject ako, baka ayaw niya. Ang isipin mo, paano ko siya matulungan? Kasi in that way, pag yun yung iniisip mo, wala kang pakialam kung i-reject ka niya. Wala kang pakialam kung ayaw niya. Kasi ang target mo, ang purpose mo is to share the business para matulungan mo siya. Kasi pag lagi mong iniisip na baka mag-negative siya, baka iba yung isipin niya, baka i-reject ako, lahat ng baka-baka na yan, walang pera dyan eh. Lahat ng what if, tanggalin mo, i-invite mo yan, basta nag-online, basta buhay, no? Alam mong kailangan niya Live Good, i-share mo, huwag kang matakot. Kasi ako, even ako, nare-reject ako up to now. Nare-reject ako. And it's okay. Ganon talaga. Ito yung business sa pinili ko eh. Kasi ito yung mas mabilis. And sabi ko nga, actually sabi ko, nag-post po ako kahapon sa Facebook account ko. Sabi ko, actually, pwede naman hindi ako mag-network. Hindi ko naman sa pinagmamalaki, no? Pero meron naman din kasi akong ibang business like car rentals, shipping line, at beauty products na sarili. Pero, the reason why ginagawa ko ang Live Good kasi mas mabilis ang income, ang liit ng capital, na pwede kang kumita ng malaki, and meron kang option to help other people as well, na kumita din sila ng malaki. So sabi ko, ipupush ko to, itutodo ko to. And I use my platform, my TikTok, my Facebook. Sa TikTok po, I have almost 500,000 followers na ano lang, pagiging consistent lang talaga everyday na pagpo-posting. And I'm so excited, no? With Live Good. Konting-konti na lang, magpa-platinum na ako. Diba? Konting push na lang. And sa mga ano po, may message na lang, no? May message sa mga nandito ngayong gabi, especially sa mga hindi pa decided, sa mga, yung parang pinindot lang, walang magawa ngayong gabi kaya pumasok sa Zoom. Hindi aksidente na nandito ka. Maybe kailangan mo din talaga to. Kung ikaw yung tipo ng taong hindi ka happy, no, sa result na meron ka, na medyo nag-worry ka kasi patapos na yung 2023 and hanggang ngayon parang alanganin pa rin yung budget mo, wala ka pa rin savings, or parang hindi mo na-hit yung inaasam mo this 2023, meron ka pang chance. Meron pa. May ilang buwan pa tayo bago tapusin ang taon, tapusin ng tama. Right? So, ang kailangan mo lang gawin is, maging ano ka, mag-try ka lang. Again, hindi tayo kakabahan sa Live Good kasi walang mangutang, walang maninisi sa'yo kasi, ay, grabe, na-scam ako sa 2.8, di ba? Nalugi ako sa 2.8. Di ba? Walang ganon. Talagang makakatulog ka sa gabi na, ay, walang manggugulo sa'yo. Hindi kagaya doon sa, nag-invest ako ng 100,000, nag-invest ako ng 60,000, nag-invest ako ng malaking pera. Walang ganon. Hindi ka matatakot. And ito po, sa mga nandito ngayong gabi, chance mo to. No? Aralin mo yung business, sikapin mo talagang aralin, mag-adjust ka, i-adapt mo, and wag kang gumaya sa akin na nung first month na sumali ako, nag-observe lang, sayang. Nagsayang ako ng oras, nagsayang ako ng buwan talaga bago pa seryosohin talaga to. And Ang dami na pong nagli-live good ngayon. Nagulat ako, yung friend ko, live good na. Ang dami kong mga kilalang mga top earners sa ibang company, nandito na. So parang, hindi lang ikaw yung nasa live good. Ang dami dyan. So kung pabagal-bagal ka, magulat ka na lang yung kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo, nakuha na ng iba. Kasi, nag-slow down ka. Bilisan natin. 'Di ba? And my message ang message ko naman sa mga members na, pangarap po yan ng iba na maging member. Pangarap nilang makapasok sa Zoom, pangarap nilang magkaroon ng opportunity, pangarap nilang magkaroon ng negosyo na ang liit ng kapital pero ang laki ng kitaan. Ikaw nandito ka na, all you need to do is seryosohin to. Again, mas madali mong i-share ang business pag napag-aralan mo, mas madali mong gawin ang negosyo pag naintindihan mo, mas mabilis mo tong seryosohin para for sure magkaroon ka din ng magandang result. Ako po ang kinita ko na is nasa 2,600. Actually, dapat mag-share po ako ng mga pictures ko ngayon, ng earnings ko, kasi gusto ko makita ninyo na talagang iba ang live good. Kaya lang, kakarating lang kasi namin ngayon, galing kami sa my birthday, hindi ako nakapasok doon sa pinakabahay namin. Nandito lang ako sa malapit sa gate kasi yung mga nandito sa bahay umalis pala. So, yun. Ngayon, baka next time kung meron pang pagkakataon. And ayun, wag nating sayangin yung pagkakataon na to, itodo natin, trabahuin natin kasi alam niyo po, hindi niyo talaga masasabi. Actually, kaya mong sabihin kung magkano at ano yung magiging result mo sa live good. Kaya mong mag-declare. Kaya mong sabihin na after 1 month from now, 2 months from now, kaya Mag-goal set ka lang. Alamin mo lang ilan kakausapin mo, ilan yung sishiran mo. Kasi hindi din pwedeng, next month magpa-platinum ako, pero ngayong araw wala kang kausap. Next week wala ka pa rin kausap. Or everyday pinapalipas mo na wala. Hindi po pwede yon. Kasi yung result natin, nakadepende ko ano yung ginagawa natin on a daily basis. 'Di ba? So, sa lahat na nandito ngayong gabi, 197 participants. I'm so excited sa bawat isa sa atin. Lahat tayo, nakapwesto na, lahat tayo ay nakita na tong opportunity na to. It's your decision na lang ngayon kung kailan mo to siseryosohin, kailan mo to umpisahan, and kailan mo gustong magka-result ng bonggang-bongga dito sa Live Good para lahat tayo this 2023 is makuha natin yung tunay na breakthrough sa buhay natin. So, actually ako po, siguro malaking bagay din now na. O di ba mag-comment ka siya ng now na. Di ba? Kailangan i-declare mo na. Ako po na feature din po ako sa Eat Bulaga, sa Net25, sa SMNI News, and I think nakatulong din po 'yun, no, para mas lalo tayong mag-go wide. Magparami. So ako everyday nagpo-post po ako sa wall ko. As long as na basta promote ka lang ng promote. Huwag kang manawa. Huwag mong pagsawaan yung isang bagay na pwede mong ikayaman. Huwag na huwag. Post ka lang ng post, di ba? Huwag kang magsawa. Unlimited yan. Gamitin mo na lahat ng pwede mong gamitin para ikaw po ay talagang magkaroon ng magandang result dito sa Live Good. So with that, I don't know kung ano pa yung mga sasabihin ko, pero I hope na kahit sa dami kong dinaldal, meron man lang isa doon na makapag-trigger sa you tonight to do this seriously para next time ikaw naman yung mag-share. Ako nga, sabi ko kahit di na ako mag-share kasi gusto ko kumita, mukha akong pera. Dapat aminin natin yun, di ba? Na magkaroon talaga tayo ng earnings. And sa mga nagtatago pa dyan, please lang, huwag nyo nang sayangin yung oras, yung panahon. I-push na natin to, di ba? Itodo na natin. Kasi habang ako nagtatago, natatakot ako, baka mahuli ako. Alam mo yung parang, alam mo yung parang ang laki ng kasalanan mo, pero ma-realize mo na worth it pa ba na magstay? Wow. 'Di ba? Pag na-fall out of love ka na, wala na talaga. 'Di ba? Kahit anong pilit mo, hindi ka na masaya. And iba At iba yung pakiramdam na happy ka sa ginagawa mo, na meron kang peace. So sa lahat na nandito ngayong gabi, thank you so much for listening me. Doc Rory, thank you very much na kung hindi tayo nagkausap, siguro wala ako dito ngayon. So thank you very much. And to my team, dumadami tayo ng dumadami. Patuloy pa nating ipupush at ilalaban to araw-araw para lahat talaga tayo this 2023 ay talagang makabawi at kumita ng bonggang-bongga. So with that, thank you so much everyone and God bless you all and have a good night.
Wow. Okay. Congratulations and thank you so much, Coach Lenny. Let's give Coach Lenny a warm applause kahit po sa clap-tap lang po sa ating mga sa screen natin, no? So thank you so much for inspiring us. Sobrang ganda ng story mo at the same time. So inspiring, okay? Very inspiring. Sabi ko nga, no, dito po sa ating negosyo, yung pinanggagalingan ng puso mo ang magtutulak sa iyo para po gawin mo tama ang business. And yun po, sabi nga po niya, magaling na po si Coach Lenny, but still, kailangan niyang aralin. So inaral niya, hindi niya po inaaral, hindi po magawa. Kahit gano'n siya kagaling, hindi magagawa pag hindi mo ito inaral. So very important po ng learning. Magaling na po ito sa amin pong previous, sobrang galing. Top 1 po siya. Pero definitely, inaaral pa rin po niya ang business. Kaya kung ikaw po ngayon, hindi mo pa ito inaaral, my goodness, marami pong nawawala sa inyo. Maraming mawawala sa inyo. So thank you so much, Coach Lenny, for sharing your story and for inspiring us today and tonight. And ngayon po, bibigay ko lang po sa ating mentor po. Ito pong siya po yung ako pong papakilala sa inyo. Siya po yung ating grand mentor ng ating Soaring Eagles Alliance. At the same time po, no, ito pong taong to is also a professional accountant siya by profession. Pero po, nakita po niya yung maganda pong haharapin, maganda pong opportunity sa ganitong klaseng industriya. Siya po din po ay top earner po din po sa previous company niya. Kagagaling lang po niya ng France, ng Paris now. Ngayon po, nabakan naman, sabi ng asawa ko, no? Ngayon po, no, siya po, ang ating pong grand mentor na to, siya po ay nakakuha po yung, imagine, sabi ko, di ba, yung direct, napakadali lang ito. Lalo po sa kanya. In 38 days, nakuha po niya 100 directs kagad. So ngayon po, siya po ay diamond na and I'm sure running for crown diamond. Kasi po, napakagaling po niya mag-mentor po sa atin. So without further ado po, I want to introduce to you our grand mentor, of course, Coach Vilma Sabulao. Okay, yay!
Wow! Wow, 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 wow! Clap, clap naman dyan. Diamond emoji sa lahat. So magandang gabi po sa ating pong lahat. Supposedly hindi po ako magsasalita pero sobra akong
ating pong grand mentor. Sobra pong sipag po. Sobra po talagang gustong-gusto po niya tayong lahat po ay talaga pong umalagwa. Lumaki na lumaki po sa ating pong team. So very, very much po siya talagang pinupush niya tayo talaga na patutong mabuti. Alam dito kaya po every day our team po is actually po meron tayong presentation 3 p.m., 8 p.m. para po ating pong ma-serve po yung ating pong team at matulungan po ang bawat isa na magawa po ang business.
Okay. Muna ako magpapakita ngayon. Bago po ako magsimula, magbabatiin ko lang po kayo ng isang mapagpalang gabi. Mapagpalang umaga, tanghali, hapon sa buong mundo. Okay, live good evening, live good day to all and every one of us. Supposedly hindi po ako magsasalita but these two ladies captured my heart at I cannot afford na mananahimik lamang po ako. Sobra po ako kung ako po ay new listener na sasali po dito, magsa-sign up po ako. As I am telling right now, ito kinikilabutan po ako, no. Actually kanina pa ako na-inspired when I heard Coach Jericho and supposedly today magpapahinga po talaga ako kasi groggy po ako sa aking biyahe na inabot po ako ng 2 nights, 2 days po sa biyahe ko pabalik at yung 1 week na stay ko po sa France, I was not feeling well. Talagang pagdating ko pa lang po doon, runny nose na po talaga ako at masama ang pakiramdam. Pero andyan yung magtatrabaho ka. Basta ang dami, sobrang nakakawindang po talaga yon. Pero awa ng Diyos, nagpapasalamat ako kasi kinaya. And then today, ang plano ko po talaga is magpahinga. But mula kanina nung nagising po ako kay Coach Jericho, until now, yun nga, sabi ko kay Coach Jericho, please ask Doc Lori na tawagin ako kasi hindi ako makapagtigil na hindi po ako magpasalamat. So unang-una, gusto ko pa talagang magpasalamat sa Panginoon kung nasaan na po ang grupo natin ngayon. So to all the leaders na I'm so proud to all of you from the bottom of my heart, talagang grand salute. Praise God, hallelujah talaga. So ang galing-galing, isipin nyo naman, shout out naman sa presentations na meron tayo ngayon with Doc Lori na napaka-clear, everything is wala ka nang ititirang tanong. Tapos naman very inspiring na story ng ating Coach Lenny. Ano pa bang inaantay po natin? So ito lang po ang gusto kong sabihin sa lahat. Hindi po ito matagal. Andito na to. If you are truly serious, looking for an opportunity to change your life for the better, declare no excuses. Wala na po tayong dapat sabihin ngayon ng mga excuse, ng mga dahilan, na kung ano-ano pang mga kyaw-kyaw-kyaw, cha-cha-cha, kung ano-ano dyan. Wala na po. Kasi si Live Good ngayon, especially in the Philippines, what are you waiting for? We are already the #1 fastest growing country in Live Good history. Are you with me? Narinig ko po yan sa bibig ng ating pong CEO na nandun pa nga po ako sa France. Nasilip ko po yun, napakinggan ko po yun with my 2 ears, na narinig ko po yun. Hello? So, what are we waiting for? Our 001 in the Philippines, I am so proud, no? Upline Fernan Santiago, hindi ba kayo kinikilabutan that he is now a crown diamond? He is the 2nd crown diamond in the world. Woohoo! Ako po yung kauna-unahang babae na diamond sa Pilipinas. At kahit babae po ako, single mom, pwede po ako makipagsabayan sa mga tatay dyan. Diba po? So mag-declare na po tayo ng excuses. So what I'm saying is, seryoso ka na naghahanap ka ng opportunity, aralin po natin ng mabuti si Live Good. Tama po ang sinabi ni Coach Lenny. Galingan mong aralin talaga. Kasi depende sa galing ng commitment mo, depende sa lalim ng paniniwala mo, depende sa mindset na meron ka kung gaano ka ka-unshakable, unsteppable, na nag-umpisa ka with a clear end of the mind, na nakikita mo crystal clear, ano yung nag-aantay sa'yo sa future dito sa Live Good, everything will be easy. Everything will be attainable. Everything will be achievable. So, ngayon, ito na lang po yun. Shout out sa lahat ng mga kababayan ko. Shout out sa lahat ng Live Good family. Shout out ng Live Good Soaring Eagles, sa lahat ng mga teams na meron po tayo, sa lahat ng mga kasamahan natin dito sa Live Good. Laliman na po natin. Huwag na po tayong maghanap pa ng mga paraan. Huwag na po nating hanapan ng butas. Pasalamat tayo may pinanganak na Ben Glinsky. Pasalamat tayo may pinanganak na Live Good. Pasalamat tayo na nagkaroon ng revolutionary ang industriyang ito. Anong ibig sabihin doon? Tinanggal na ang lahat ng pahirap. Ako, I'm so grateful with network marketing industry. Why? I am a single mom with 5 children. 15 years ago, I was hard up financially, napuputulan ng kuryente, ng tubig. Muntik nang mapalaya sa bahay na tinitirhan ko. Mga anak ko umiiyak, mama, paaral ka ng paaral, wala ka naman palang pera. Pero praise God, hallelujah, dinala ako ng Diyos sa industriyang ito. Na kahit gaano kahirap ang mga dati kong company, thankful pa rin ako kasi doon tayo nag-umpisa eh. Without those in the past, we are not here today where we are right now. Kumbaga, ano ang ipinakita sa atin ni Live Good? The only word that is permanent in this world is change. Why we refuse change? Why we are scared with change? Ba't ka tayo matatakot kung nagbago na ang plataforma? Bakit tayo natatakot? Bakit subscription method to? Bakit tayo natatakot na ang mura-mura ng products? Hello? Bakit ayaw natin ng pagbabago? Nagbabago ang mundo. May Netflix na nga, hindi ka na kailangan pumunta ng mall para manood ng blockbuster movie. Makakapag-order ka na nga ng food eh, ng kahit anong food mo through Grab food. Makakasakay ka na nga ng sasakyan eh, door to door hahatid ka through Grabs. Ang dami ng pagbabago ngayon. So ibig sabihin yung network marketing industry, binago na din po. Kaya nakikiusap po ako, kumakatok po ako sa puso ng mga kung sino man po ang makakapakinig nitong Zoom na to na napaka-powerful. Ako, hindi po ako magsasalita supposedly ngayon. Wala pa po akong suklay. Wala pa po akong ligo. Grabe talaga, kaya hindi po ako makaharap sa inyo sa camera. Pero dahil I was so inspired, but this two amazing lady that blown me away, alam niyo po ba na nakahiga ako sa kama ko habang ako'y nagtatrabaho? Pero kailangan kong bumangon. At na-inspired ako. At habang sinasabi ko itong mga sinasabi ko, kinikilabutan po ako. Hello? Are we inspired enough? Nakita ba natin yung naramdaman at nakita ng ating dalawang speaker for tonight? Sa napakadaming magagaling po na speakers that we have, I am so proud to each one of you. Sa lahat ng mga speakers ng Live Good Soaring Eagles International, a grand salute to all of you. Wala po akong mabigkas kundi salamat. At super proud po ako na bilang isang grand upline ninyo na andito na tayo. This is a long way to go. We are just starting. Hello? Nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo. Fast forward tayo 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now. If you are going to declare no excuses, declare no excuses. Declare no excuses. If you're gonna say it to yourself that you got to declare no excuses, no ifs and no buts, but declare no excuses and try to create an urgency with your life that we are going to live a life by design but not by default. By default. A lot of us are living by default. By default na kung ano na lang yung nandyan, yan na lang yun. No. We live only once. Ang sarap po yung nandun tayo sa lying bed natin na masasabi natin, I did a great job and I finished it so well. Hello? Yung magiging proud ang family mo, yung magiging proud yung mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo. How many lives na na-touch mo because of you? Hindi ba tayo na-touch sa mga story ng ating mga speakers, ng ating sharer for tonight? My goodness. I'm not supposed to talk. Pero napatok ako eh. Kailangan ko talagang tumayo eh. Palakpakan nyo naman po sila. So ngayon, capture po natin tong moments na to. Umabot po tayo ng 207. Consistency matters. Consistency matters. Everything starts small. Every great journey starts with a single step. One single step could totally change your life for the better if you're gonna create an urgency with your life and declare no excuses. Declare no excuses. Itatak po natin yan sa isipan natin ngayon. Kung si Coach Lenny is dating kasambahay, hello! Sino magsasabi niya na dating kasambahay yan, amazing, gorgeous lady yan? Hello! The circumstances in our life will never, ever, ever determine our future. It is on what we do with our current circumstances that will define our destiny. Isipin mo kung si Coach Lenny, hindi niya binago yung kanyang mind setting, yung kanyang decision, the way she think, the way she believe. Sa tingin mo, makikita tayong gorgeous lady in front of us. Hello, inspiring us. Declare no excuses. Declare no excuses. You've been with Live Good 5 months, 6 months. What are you doing with yourself? Okay lang po yun. Hindi tayo sumabay. That's fine and good. Kasi nagpakamilangkolik po tayo. That's fine and good. Pero, ang malaking kasalanan, nakita na natin na nag-deliver ng huge results, amazing, phenomenal results si Live Good, and still hindi pa rin tayo sumabay. Because we are bounded with so many excuses. Excuses are well-planned lies. Tatandaan niyo po yan. Excuses are well-planned lies. Excuses are well-planned lies. Plinanong kasinungalingan. Kasi kung i-open natin ang ating puso at isipan, makikita po talaga natin kung sino po talaga si Live Good. Hello, are you with me? So, kinakalampag ko lang po, no? Ako, may mga kasamahan ako dito na dati, chinat ko po sila by heart, na sabi kong ganun, kung gusto ko, kung pwede lang, mapakita ko yung mata ko, yung puso ko sa inyo, ipapahiram ko, no? Para makita nila kung ano yung nakita ko. Pero hindi sila nakinig. Hindi naman po sumama ang loob ko. Pero nalulungkot po ako na hindi po rin po nila yan titingnan. But my action plan right now, my game plan right now is really go back to these people and tell them, hello, 5 months ago, I made a huge decision in my life to do Live Good. And right now, my team is 12,000 plus. Woohoo! I have how many platinums? I have my 1 diamond. Engineer Noel Caparoso. Marami pa pong magda-diamond. Marami pa pong magpa-platinum sa team natin. You imagine that with a single, simple decision that you may think it would give your life a big impact to change your life for the better. It could change your life extraordinarily. It could change. Hello guys. Ito lang po sasabihin ko. It could change your life extraordinarily. Extraordinarily. Bakit po extraordinarily? Because Live Good is an extraordinary platform. Extraordinary platform. Where can you find a business as simple as 2,800 pesos to 3,000 pesos depende sa ginamit mong entry. Gumamit ka ng credit wallet, ng GoTime, ng Paymaya, ng debit card, ng credit wallet, ng crypto. It ranges on that amount, pero pwedeng baguhin ang buhay mo extraordinarily. Bakit? Si Live Good ay hulog ng langit. Si Live Good is an extraordinary platform na dinisenyo de Ben Glinsky. Aralin nyo sino si Ben Glinsky para tumanim sa puso't isipan natin kung gaano ka-lucrative ang compensation plan ang company na Live Good. Hello? So, what I'm trying to point out, Live Good can change your life extraordinarily because Live Good is an extraordinary platform. What is the biggest challenge with us right now? Listen very, very carefully. You have to create yourself to be an extraordinary one. You are now a listener in the Zoom. It doesn't matter. Because one day somehow you could be a sharer. You could be a speaker. Sabi ko sa inyo, lahat kayo isasalang ko eh. Back off na ako. Ang gagaling nyo eh. Hello? Pero hindi mangyayari yun nang walang cooperation galing sa sarili mo mismo that you want to be one. To be an extraordinary you. And you really have to focus on working on yourself. Kaya yung po yung huling slides ko dun eh. All you get to do is work on yourself. Day by day. Work on your fears. Work on your doubts. You work on your worries. Work on everything that is pulling you down. Hello? What is that something that is sabotaging you? Itapon niyo po yun. Pakiusap. At kayo po, gawin nyo na sarili nyo ng extraordinary. So ngayon po, keep going. Mag-invite po kayo uli bukas. Bukas uli ng gabi. Bukas, and then Saturday, we will be having our Platinum Sizzle Nights. And then starting Monday, next week, we will be having our weekly training by yours truly. Kakaririn na po natin ito. Mag-aaral na po tayo ng basic to advance. Dahil the moment we got to deal our business professionally, then that is the time that we will get a professional income. Pag tinodo mo ang sarili mo na ibibigay ko na ang best ko because we know that our best is not yet enough, but still you declare that you can do it, I'm telling you guys, you could be a diamond one day. And becoming a diamond and Live Good is just a matter of time. Iba-iba po tayo ng nakukuhan tao, iba-iba po tayo ng story. Hindi po ito pabilisan. Ito po ay all about the journey that we are going to take with Live Good. So with that, with the two amazing, powerful lady in this Zoom tonight, congratulations to you, Coach Doc Lori. What an honor to be part of this team. And to you, our sharer, upcoming Platinum, Coach Lenny, sa ganda mo pa lang, nakakabighani na eh, di ba? Power. Parang hindi ka pa sa sign up dyan. Hello! Pasensya na kayo sa akin ngayon. Di po ako talaga nagpakita. Wala pa po akong ligo. Madungis ko ako ngayon, madungis. Pero sana po, na-inspire ko po kayo. Galingan po natin, no? Tulong-tulong po tayo. Ito lang masasabi ko. Hindi po natin magagawa to kung mag-isa lang. Teamwork really makes dream work. My challenge to everyone is please be a team player. Be a team player. Kahit sinong ano ka, asan ka, as long as we have that attitude of being a team player, tayo po ay nagpapakita ng humility. Tayo po ay nagpapakita ng alam mo yon, attitude of obeying and follow direction. So, ang dami-dami ko pong sasabihin. Pag ako talaga pinagsalita nyo, hindi po talaga ako mapapahinto. Kaya, ang sasabihin ko na lang po sa inyo, galingan po natin. We are in the best platform. Declare no excuses. Create urgency. Focus of working on yourself and be the best person that you ever wanted to be because you are going to attract of who you become. I just want to tell you, furthermore, inspire ko po kayo, kahit hindi po ako nagpapalipad ng landing page, I don't know, marami pong nag-PPM sa akin, they are picking me up to be their enroller. And I am asking them, how did you come across my name? Hindi naman ako nagbo-boost post. Ito na po yun. Yun na po yung tinatawag natin na galingan natin, maging consistent po tayo sa social media. At lahat po ng mga kinausap ko abroad, wow, I'm super excited. Grabe, walang kahit ano. I'm really so excited to work in Jakarta, Indonesia, to work in India, to work in Australia. Saan pa ba? Basta, I have these great people na nakausap ko at soon to be, they gonna be our Live Good partners. And yun lang po, tuloy-tuloy lamang po tayo. Wag po tayo mag-worry kung maraming nag-no sa atin. Dito sa business na to, you won't chase people. Okay? Just continue. Ang lawak po ng tao, 7 billion po tayo. At ang Live Good po ay nasa 550,000 members pa lang. Kaya wala po tayong dapat ikaalala. Okay po? Magpatuloy lang po tayo. Galingan lang po natin. Galingan po natin lahat kung ano yung galing na pwede natin gawin para sa sarili natin. Tandaan nyo po, our best is not yet enough. Kaya ano lang ang ating challenge dito, be an extraordinary you. Because we are building in an extraordinary platform and Live Good is an extraordinary company. So with that, thank you so much to each one of you. God bless. From the bottom of my heart, I am so ever proud to all the leaders that we have in Live Good Soaring Eagles. Thank you so much and congratulations. God bless sa lahat po ng ating pong mga nandito sa Zoom. Woohoo! Bigyan naman po ninyo ng mga clap-clap emoji, heart-heart emoji. Ang ating pong mga sharers. Grabe. Woohoo! Grabe to, no? Nakaka-inspire. Parang gusto kong mag-sign up. Excuse me. Pwede ba akong mag-sign up sa inyo? Kasi parang pa-downline. Okay po. Thumbs up daw. Oo nga, no? Pwede bang mag-downline sa inyo? Grabe naman yan. Okay, so, ayan po. So, I'm just kidding. Thank you. Congratulations to everybody. So now, si Coach Lenny ba ay upline ni Coach Judith? Or upline ba? Upline ba si Coach Lenny ni Coach Judith?
Yes po.
Mentor V.
Okay, good. So at least I'm knowing each one of you guys, no? Kasi nag-umpisa ako makilala si Coach Divine At least pataas po tayo ng pataas. Grabe na to. Okay, so we're really building a family. Congratulations, Coach Lenny. I'm proud to see you here. Kahit hindi tayo nagkikita, kita-kita tayo sa September 22. So I would like to add on more, no, announcement po. Bukas ng alas 5, magkakaroon po tayo ng meeting. Lahat po ng mga leaders, ini-encourage ko kayo, please join in. I hope na maaayos na po yung Zoom natin. Hindi po itong Zoom na to ha, yung dating Zoom. Nagka-problema lamang po, no? Inaayos po ng management. So tomorrow, 5 o'clock, we will be having a meeting regarding the upcoming big event on September 22. Okay? Yun po yung Dream Makers Worldwide big event ni Upline Fernan. So let us be there. Marami po tayong pag-uusapan. It is open for silver and above. Pero pwede naman po na ma-open ito sa ating pong mga bronze after po na maayos yung list. So we have to prepare on that at marami po tayong mga agendas na pag-uusapan po bukas. So all leaders, okay, please take charge. Our business, our organization is really booming. Mag-take charge po tayo sa grupo natin. Wag po kayong manghinayang sa 2,500 pesos. Kung tayo naman ay may kaparaanan para mag-attend po tayo sa big event na yon kasi hindi mo alam kung ano yung makikita nyo po doon that will really blown you na yan po, patikim pa lang yan, nag-uumpisa pa lang po tayo. Sa 2,500, marami pong mga inclusions yun, hindi lang po halagang 2,500 ang makukuha po natin. So that's it. And then, ito pong ating mga Zooms, bear with us kasi nagmasama po ang panahon last week. Inaayos po yung mga edits na mga Zooms, na mga sharers. Lahat po ng mga sharers po natin, ilalagay po yun doon sa ating YouTube channel. Mag-subscribe po kayo sa Live Good Soaring Eagles International. Please like, click. Mag-click po kayo, mag-subscribe po kayo, mag-like at mag-share po kayo kasi nandoon po yung mga sarili nating mga leaders na nag-share about the business opportunity, na nag-share po ng kanila pong mga story. So, marami pa po tayo. The best is really yet to come. Hold on. Marami pong mga magagandang magaganap po sa atin. So with that, thank you so much. Kita-kits po tayo muli bukas. God bless! Thank you po!